Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Let's face it, managing finances can be a real drag. Between keeping track of income, budgeting for expenses, and ensuring timely payments, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if there was a way to streamline this process and automate a chunk of your financial management? Qonto Direct Deposit. Well, if you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or small business owner using Qonto for your business banking, then you're in luck. Qonto offers direct deposit functionality, allowing you to effortlessly route your income directly into your Qonto account. This means no more manual transfers, missed deadlines, or scrambling to locate that elusive bank statement for proof of income. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of setting up direct deposit with Qonto, let's take a quick detour to understand why this might be a game-changer for you. Explain benefits. Benefits of Qonto Direct Deposit. Effortless automation. Say goodbye to the days of manually transferring your income from another account. Direct deposit ensures your funds land securely in your Qonto account, saving you precious time and eliminating the risk of missed transfers. Improved cash flow management. With your income automatically deposited, you gain a clearer picture of your incoming funds, allowing you to better budget and plan for expenses. No more guessing games or scrambling to meet financial obligations. Simplified record keeping. Direct deposit generates a clear and concise record of your income within your Qonto account. This simplifies tax preparation and streamlines the process of providing proof of income for loans or other financial needs. Sounds pretty amazing, right? So, how do you unlock this financial management superpower with Qonto Direct Deposit? Let's break it down into a few simple steps. Setting up Qonto Direct Deposit. Gather your information. Before heading into your Qonto app, make sure you have the following details handy. Your employer or client information. This includes your employer's legal name or your client's business name, depending on who is sending the direct deposit. Your bank routing number and account number. You'll find this information on your Qonto debit card or within the app itself under the Account Information section. Your IBAN, International Bank Account Number. This is a unique identifier specific to your Qonto account and can also be found within the Account Information section. Head to your Qonto app, open your Qonto mobile app and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the direct deposit settings. The exact location might differ slightly depending on your Qonto app version, but you're typically looking for a section labeled Direct Deposit, Transfers, or Payments. Once you locate the relevant section, navigate to the option for Receiving a Direct Deposit. Enter your information. Here's where you'll input the details you gathered in Step 1. Carefully enter your employer or client's name, your Qonto bank routing number, account number, and IBAN. Double-check everything for accuracy before proceeding. Review and confirm. Once you've entered all the information, take a moment to review it thoroughly. Any typos or errors could delay or even prevent your direct deposit from being received. Once you're confident everything is correct, confirm the details. Wait for confirmation. Qonto will typically process your direct deposit information and send you a confirmation message within a few business days. Additional tips. Provide the information to your employer/client. Once you've set up direct deposit in your Qonto app, don't forget to share your banking information with your employer or client. This ensures they have the correct details to route your income directly to your Qonto account. Double-check details before each payment. While direct deposit automates the process, it's still wise to verify your bank information with your employer or client, especially if there are any changes or discrepancies. By utilizing Qonto's direct deposit functionality, you can streamline your financial management, eliminate manual transfers, and gain better control over your business cash flow. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and set up direct deposit today and experience the convenience of automated income deposits in your Qonto account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.